There was a time when flying a drone meant real skill. No apps, no autopilot, no just push a button. It meant sweat on your brow, shaky hands, and a case full of gear. In this video, you see a drone pilot shooting an actual car commercial. His drone, heavy, complex, with a seriously massive camera on top. Everything had to be adjusted manually, balancing, calibrating, pulling focus, and then you fly. Not click. Fly. Every shot was a mission. No second chances when the car drifted around the corner and the drone followed in low flight. No GPS stabilization, no safety net, just skill, instinct, and nerves of steel. Today, power on, built in camera, auto-stabilized, and if the shot shakes, fix it in post. The pilot becomes more like a curator. He picks what looks good. The tech does the rest. Don't get me wrong, today's tools are amazing. But back then, it just felt more real. You had the sense you were mastering something, not just using it. This video takes us back to that time, when tech still felt like adventure, when each flight held a bit of risk, and when landing a great shot made you think, yeah, that was me. Today, everyone flies with an app, but me. I used to fly with heart, brain, and a radio controller.